Welcome back to Lego Cloud. In today's video, I will show you my Lego EV3 Connect machine. This machine has coin rejection, so if you put in a penny, it falls out. Same with a dime. And a quarter does not fit. At first, the button doesn't do anything. So you insert a nickel, take this little tray, slide it under there, then press the button. You then get a tray with magnets. Let's try again. Again, at first, the button doesn't do anything until you insert a nickel. Take the tray, put it under here. The tray is optional. Then hit the button that looks like a magnet. Take out the tray and other magnets. And you have a tray full of magnets. To reload the machine, you take off this platform and put some magnets in here. And then put it back on. To get the money out, at first you can't move anything back here. So you slide this pin out, twist that up, and then open this door, and the coins fall out. You can then close that, slide that down, and push the axle back in to relock it. The way the coin rejection works is when a coin smaller than this hole goes in, it falls through the hole. Here's a dime. Now a penny. And then quarters just do not fit. But a nickel will pass the hole and get sensed by this sensor, like this. It then waits for you to press this button, which will then turn that gear on that track, causing this tray to dump the magnets into here where you can get. So let's press this. It dumps in, and then more would be waiting here, which would then reload. The customer can then get the magnets out, and that's how it works. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Lego Cloud.